Hello guys, and welcome to another installment of NT News, which is gonna be rescheduled and will be with you every Monday. Now, if I'm gonna keep up with the schedule, I don't know, because it's a bit difficult to present the tech news every day, and I mean this schedule, which is gonna be every Monday, is more manageable, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so our first story for today, it has to do with Apple, obviously, because they had a keynote a few days ago and they released the Apple Watch Series 4, which starts at $399 for the non-cellular model. Then we have the cellular model, which starts at $499, yeah, $500 actually, and the stainless steel model will start at $699 if I can remember well. Now the overpricing continues on to the iPhone releases as well, because we have the iPhone XR which starts at $750, which is a steep price tag for an iPhone that is not like the top model. It's just a budget iPhone, as Apple claimed it to be. I mean, it's the more accessible version, if you want, and I think it's fairly overpriced, but that's my opinion. You can have yours. Now the iPhone XS starts at $999 as the iPhone X from last year, and the iPhone XS Max, which is the bigger version of it, starts at $1099, and you can configure it to be even $1499, which is absurd. But enough from Apple. I mean, you can find all this info on websites, and I'm not really gonna waste time talking about this stuff because you can find it really easily. Now let's get on to the next story, which is about Google. Now Google leaked, if you want to say it like that, the colors of the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. Now this is the first official leak that we have, and it's official because it's from a Japanese Google domain, which seems to be run by Google. As John Prosser mentioned in Front Page Tech, he had the information first. The source that he has told him that Google was gonna leak the colors on this website 2 days ago, I think, whatever. And we have the colors that you can see on your screen right now. Now this is not really exciting, but you can see the colors of the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, and if they are any good, and John Prosser was right on FPT, then you can buy it on whatever color you want from these three: white, mint, and black. So yeah, that's actually it regarding this story. Now let's get to the third story and last one for today. There are not many tech news when Apple releases stuff, because, you know, if anything else happens, it gets really disregarded because Apple did stuff. But whatever. I mean, our last story for today is about Google as well, and in this story, actually, Google has been turning on battery saver mode on some Android phones remotely without asking. And it's not a matter of kindness, you know, if they wanted to ask or not, but the thing is that Google has remote access on devices with Android Pie, and that's a little creepy. I mean, we know that Google actually does this kind of creepy stuff, but it's extremely creepy. It's creepier than normal to just turn on battery saver mode on Android Pie smartphones. I mean, why do that? I mean, it was accidental, I think, but even then, it's pretty damn creepy. And yeah, you can comment your thoughts down below. Now, those were the tech news for this week, folks. And I'll see you next Monday, probably. And thank you very much for watching. Peace.